Arin. Yung totoo. Okay, yung mga nasa likod po, move forward po tayo. Move forward. O, masilip tayo. Ayan. Okay? O, ayan, yung mga hindi pa nag-raise na kanilang phones din na naka-flashlight. Flashlight. Talo makita kasi ako dito sa bayan reflex. Kasi para sa mga Jai. Jai! Yeah! Kasta! Lalawan na, i-wave tayo kasta. Ayan! Baka ate!
Ito!
I-assist nyo na sa senior citizens mga dami ng flashlight. Ano mo kayo? Okay.
You guys ready for our last song?
Pwede bang i-dim yung lights dito?
If you guys are ready for your last song, come on, everybody, go ahead!
Okay, raise your flashlights! Basta! Practice lang. Mas maganda yung...
I saw the light, baptized by the fire in your touch and the flame in your eyes. I'm born to love again, I'm a brand new man. That's what I'm talking about. Got one of your lights out. Well, the whole time was talking about the light and walking. Well, it's right to your door. Oh, how they used to roll. You turned my life around. Whoa, I saw the light. I've been baptized by the fire in your touch and the flame in your eyes. I'm born to love again. I'm a brand new man. Well, I guess I'm out of freedom. Oh, my brown pound of freedom. I'm the one to time. Your eyes, I'm born to love again. I'm a brand new man. Hey, let's go everybody. Everybody, oh, I saw the light of it, baptized by the fire in your touch. I'm born to love again. I'm a brand new man. Yeah, I saw the light of it, baptized by the fire in your touch and the flame in your eyes. I'm born to love again. I'm a brand new man. Yeah, I'm born to love again. Gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung team ko, by the way, RBCCC with me. And yan pala pa natin, RBCCC! Punta ko dito sa harap, akin team. Jonas De La Peña! Jonas De La Peña Brothers from General San Jose! Come here, bro! And of course, this coach with me. And our legal team, at the same time a handler, no other than the owner of the bike or the Attorney Henry, please come forward! Si Ma'am, si attorney ko yung, basta ba siya? Si attorney po yung give her space. Come over here, attorney. Si attorney po yung nag-alaga po sa amin. Upon arrival hanggang ngayon, alaga po kami sa pagkain. Ang sarap po, nakatira po ako sa penthouse. Ganun po siya ka-humble and kind. Kasi ang pagpunta ko po dito ay hindi po invitation from any government officials or whatever dahil fiesta po. Kayo po, ang mga tao po, nag-sponsor po namin may ticket. Nag-contribute po sila. Kaya ako nakapunta dito. And then, especially the major sponsor namin, sila po nagpalipat sa amin dito. The Gigan Party List, thank you so much, Congressman Tereng, right, Kenneth? Tama, Kenneth, no? Yes. And of course, nasabi ko wala akong pera papunta dyan. Kasi para sa Baguio. And then Attorney Emery messaged me that, okay, I'll take care of your accommodation. Oh! And then, my birthday. Then sabi ko, I don't think I have to spend so much food kasi hindi naman ako ganun katakaw kumain. Sabi ko, may ticket ako, may tutulugan ako doon. So, dilipan akong Baguio. And nandito po ako doon. And of course, talagang ko, mag-asawa ko pala sila. No? Ang mayroon ng bahay birthday, Attorney Ranjan. Walang panganilan rin, shoutout Attorney Ranjan! Wala sa ngayon kasi meron silang po namin lakad with the University of the Cordillera CEO. Meron silang mga abogado kasi. Yeah, so wala siya ngayon. She's always with me. I mean, he's always with us. Parang naging bouncer namin si Attorney. Salamat. Salamat Trinidad. People, thank you so much for taking care of me. Cowboy Town in Natayan. Actually, hindi ko alam, sabi ni Mayot. Alam pa, ginagawa si Mayot. Baka ko nakalimutan si Mayot. Yeah, and his team. Mayot, ang pangalan ng team mo? And Sunshine, come over here so they will know you. Actually, marami po siyang pinagdadaanan. Kaya po ay, itong gathering nito, actually, I don't know, sabi may kasi meron kasi request ng mga tao na gusto namin siya makita yung public kasi yung venue pa namin medyo limited, no? Medyo talagang pulungan eh. Grabe. Ganyan pala talaga yung magmahal. Ikaw ganyan ka din magmahal sa akin. Sure? Kaya mo ko? Ay, naku po! Papasubo ata si Nining B. Parang Nining B yung kanyang katawan. Isarap mong tigitin. So, there you go. In behalf of my team, I would also like to, of course, pinapang natin our Honorable Mayor Magalong, even if he's not here. I would love to come and pay a visit on his office before I fly. And to those nabitin din, we are cooking a show actually. We're setting it. Yeah. Ay, nabangan nyo na po sa announcement ko sa post na aking page. Sino pa ba dito hindi pa nakafollow ng page? Kasi doon namin po post. Tignan mo nga lang. Hindi ko pa ba yung follower? Ang dami kong naka-encounter. Sabi niya, uy, sikat! Ang kilala niyo po ba ako? Hindi po sir. Paano niyo po na mag-isip? Ang pugi-pugi niya. Ang lanting-lanting yun. So, ikaw pala yung sinumyong ko. Maso din sila. And apologies by the way for what happened yesterday at Sesame Road. I was really about to, gusto ko talaga mag-perform din doon. Ayun for some technical rules and regulations that we need to abide. So I don't want to be able to perform there. But it's okay. Nakapag-picture na kita-kita mo sa. And gusto ko din pala pasalamatan ang isa sa nagbigay sa akin ng hope and nag-open ng eyes. Sabi niya, you know what, Idol? You belong here in Baguio City. After he found me, pagka hindi na po ang follower, nung hindi pa po kayo, wala po kayo. There's only one igurot na taga-Baguio, sabi niya, taga-dun din sa amin. Sabi niya, Idol, yung genre mo, patok na patok din dito. Sabihin mo lang kung gusto mo mag-asawa dito sa Baguio. Kasi po ako yung pastor. Alam pa natin, Pastor Noel, walk up over there. Pastor Noel, let's go! I-check niyo po yung, kung mahilig po kayong magsimba, check niyo yung page ni Pastor Noel Wakat. So, Pastor, thank you very much. And then, dahil po sa inyo, nadagdagan po yung monthly music ko kasi pag nag-request po kayo, hindi ko po alam yun, pinapapisa ko, pinapaningin ko, ganito pala. And then, some of those songs actually na-learn ko nung iba ko. Ganun song na yan, i-research ko, that's just a kaimagan. Ganun. And again, first time ko po nakafeel nang sobrang artistahin ako dito sa Baguio. My God! Grabe! Parang hindi na yung sa tuwing. Ang resto na eh. I'm not na eh. And actually, it's tiring really. Because I'm not prepared for this. I'm not like, you know, when God gives you that way. And this is one thing I'd say. Whatever makes people happy, God is happy too. So, it's gonna give me more long life. I'm into that. So, yun, sabi ko, wala ako dito, may pero so, kami lang, pero pag naglalakad ako, uy, yes, pag nag-umpisa ng isa, pag hindi na matatapos eh, sabi ko, artist ako sa mga. Saka katulad daw yung sabi niya na pag may mga artista daw from there, hindi yung pinapresent, pero pag si Romy yun, grabe na. Eh, follow nyo din pala si Army Sincesi, please. Army Sincesi. Siyempre yun ang pasikat sa akin dito. Inspire ko ko din kalimutan. Praise ko, sana marami pa tayong time. But anyway, sooner or later, we're going to be posting on schedule po. Kasi ang nangyari po, doon lang halos yung shows, concert ko sa La Trinidad. Wala po pala sa Baguio City. And sabi ko, before ako aalis, Pilipad, I will be having a concert here at the heart of the Baguio City. And kabangan ninyo kung saan yung venue. Medyo malapad-lapad yung venue, pero paunahan na lang din ko ng tables. Ma'am, gusto kita makita doon. Ikaw. Ikaw ang bubukod laman ng pag-ibig. May asawa na po kayo, ma'am? Good job, good job. Hintayin mo yung asawa niyo, ma'am. And then meron na-request pala sa akin. Are we ready, Joe? Effects? Okay, yeah, one more. Kasi sa city dati, may bonus track yun, no?